Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig as a nurse, George Pig and Mommy Pig, who are both feeling sick. First, let's draw Mommy Pig. Start with her nose. Next, draw her 2 ears like this. Then, add her beautiful eyes. Now, draw her cheeks and her open mouth. She has a thermometer in her mouth. It looks like she has a fever. Next, draw her body. She's lying in bed with a blanket to keep her warm. Lying next to her is George Pig. Start with his nose, then draw his little eyes like this. He looks so tired, poor George. Right here, let's draw a tissue box beside Mommy Pig. Now it's time to draw Peppa Pig. Start with her nose. On her head, draw a nurse's hat like this. Then, add her eyes and her face. Peppa is wearing a mask to help take care of her family. Next, draw her body. She's wearing a nurse's outfit. Finally, draw her hands. She's holding a thermometer to check George Pig's temperature. To make the drawing stand out, I'll use this black marker to outline it. Let's color together. First, I'll use pink to color Mommy Pig's nose. She has a cold, so her nose looks swollen. Then, I'll use light pink for her skin. Next, I'll color her mouth and the thermometer like this. For her dress, I'll use dark pink. Now, let's color George Pig. I'll use pink for his nose since he's sick too. Then, I'll use light pink for his skin and sky blue for his outfit. For Peppa Pig, I'll use light pink for her skin. Elsa's outfit will be colored with dark blue and green. Finally, I'll use yellow to color the blanket keeping Mommy Pig warm. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!